with this redevelopment program for the Capitol Complex, as you can see, we are now building the 11-story provincial Capitol Plaza, which will house both provincial and national agencies, parang one-stop shop na po. And there are areas here that we have allocated for commercial development, like malls, strip mall. We have a Veterans Museum allocated on the northwest of the Capitol Plaza. And what we really are excited about is our plan to build the 320-room internationally branded hotel with a convention center. It's a bold plan. It's a dream of ours, but we will try our level best to make it into a reality. Napakamahal po kasi mag-construct dito sa lugar na ito, as we have to reinforce the foundation that eats up much of the infrastructure budget if we build a high-rise. But I think for us to save more space and to make use of our Capitol Complex, we have to do that. So yun po ang aming pangarap, and just sharing with all of you some of our development plans. In Manaoag, we have a development there. In Barangay Estancia, in Lingayen, together with Congressman Marco Wangco, kami po nag-usap to build a 27-hole golf course. And sabi ko po sa kanya, kayo na po bahala sa kalsada, sa tulay. But in the meantime, we can build a marina somewhere here to ferry our guests and golfers from the Capitol Complex all the way to Barangay Estancia. I think it's just gonna be a 5 to 10 minute boat ride. Sometimes calm seas, but I think there are times that it will be more exciting, no? Especially ngayon pong amihan. After we present the plan, after we find the budget and have it approved by our provincial government, next will come accessibility to the province. Ako po ay naglalabi sa ating ahensya na namamahala sa infrastruktura, ang DPWH, natapusin na po natin ang lahat ng mga bypass roads, because these bypass roads that we have all started will now interconnect the whole province. To travel from east to west will take 5 hours for us. Plus traffic, mas malala pa siguro. But I am lobbying, I'm asking the agency to complete this infrastructure, mga tulay, mga kalsada, in 2 years. So by 2028, may papakita po natin dito sa Pangasinan na matatapos po natin ang magandang proyekto. Ito po ang huling component na lang upang sa ganon, ma-realize po namin ang pangarap dito po sa Pangasinan to have more facilities, to have more investments, to have more tourists, to have more guests, and to create livelihood and employment.